awesome! Step 1. Draw a circle. Step 2. Divide the circle into 4 triangles, just like this. Step 3. Turn the triangles into heart-shaped leaves. Step 4. Now add a little stem. Step 5. Add some small details. Step 6. Let's not forget about the cute smiley face. Step 7. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done! You did it! You made a super cute lucky Clover. I hope he will bring you lots of luck today. Follow and like my channel if you want to see more cute drawing tutorials. Bye bye!